Hi there. Thank you for purchasing the income tracker from 52 Week Finance. We appreciate your support and hope you find the product as useful as our other customers have. If you do, please leave a comment on our Etsy shop to show even more support and prove to future customers this product is worthwhile. As part of the purchase, you get access to this YouTube video which shows you how to use the product. We will talk through each step for completing the income tracker and what sort of information you'll need. Let's get into it. With the ability to monitor up to 40 income sources, begin by inserting the key ones you want to start tracking. If you have easy access to data from previous years, this will be useful to insert as well. Start off listing the income sources you have or have had and that you would like to track in the income source column, as shown here. Here's an example of some typical income sources. You can add some notes against each income source as well, as shown here. The remaining columns will be completed automatically after inserting your data to the income transaction sheet. Before that though, we need to go to the income dashboard. Before inserting your transactions and reviewing any of the graphs, you need to set your challenges for the next year, 5 years and 10 years. Insert your income goals for each of these, shown here. And then insert your start date and end date for each period, shown here. Finally, add some notes to the plan section for each income goal you've set. This can be 4 steps or a breakdown of your plan and how you plan to achieve these goals. Next, we insert the remaining data into the income transactions sheet. The date, income received, tax paid, other deductions, and description cells, shown here, require manual text input. The income source cells can be selected from the drop-down menu, based on what you had added back at the setup page. The final income column cells will automatically update. Here's an example of a transaction being logged. If you're catching up on previous transactions, go ahead and plug them all in now. Here's some examples of some other income sources. That's the hard work done. Now to get some progress updates on your income sources on the dashboard sheet. After you have input these final pieces of data, you will see your progress for each goal displayed on the donut graphs, shown on screen. You'll see your progress to completion displayed in the center of the donut graph, and the income earned will be totaled in the text section below the graph. The pie chart in the next section is linked to the selector switches at the top of the income dashboard sheet. You can select your income and the year which you would like to look back on, and the pie chart updates to suit, as shown here. The headline figures for the year, summing up all your incomes, is shown adjacent to the pie chart and can be changed using the year selector switch at the top of the screen, as shown here. Scrolling down the page, you can see your income across the years based on the income category you have selected at the top of the page, using this selector switch shown here. You can also review your overall income for the years which you have data recorded. This shows your improvements over the years from what you're earning. If there's no improvement, it's time to ask for a pay rise, look for a high impaired job, or start that side hustle. Finally, if you head back to the setup page, there is a year selector switch at the top of the sheet. Toggling between the years allows you to see the relevant data for income sources you had during the selected year. When initially filling out the spreadsheet, there may be some things you're unsure how to complete or how to change. If this is the case, please email the address shown here or click the email link in the description box below. This will generate an email with the subject header to send your problem to. Thank you for purchasing this product. We hope you enjoy using the income tracker, and if you do, please like and leave a comment on this video, and head to our Instagram page for daily personal finance content. Also leave a comment on the Etsy store product page, and feel free to check out the store for other products you might find useful. All links are down in the description box. Good luck with your finances.